Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to hide likes on threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide the likes on your post on threads account, first open up your threads app on your phone, and after opening your threads app guys, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of threads. And on this interface at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see the person or profile icon available for us. Tap on the person icon or the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you land over here where at the top right corner you can see there's a two-line icon available for us on this interface. Tap on the two-line icon at the top right corner of the screen, and again tap on the privacy option over here, which is just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on privacy, and you land over here where at the bottom of the list you can see the hide likes option available for us. Tap on the hide likes button over here, and when you land over here guys, you can see at the top of the screen there it says hide likes and share accounts, and here it says this setting also applies to threads. And at the right side of that option there's a toggle icon available for us. Tap on the toggle icon at the right side of it, and with that being done guys, all of the likes on your posts from your threads account will be hidden, and it will also apply on Instagram. And yeah guys, this is how to hide likes on threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.